Hey there, welcome back. Today, let's dive into a life-changing story about a man who transformed from broke to a millionaire. This is an inspiring tale of resilience and triumph. This man was once homeless, living in his car with his newborn baby, yet he didn't let this setback define him. He devised a plan to rebuild his life and become a millionaire. His key, a simple habit that turned his fortunes around. He committed to waking up at a.m. every day to focus on his goals and aspirations. He dedicated his mornings solely to self-improvement, education, and planning. This routine was his stepping stone to success. By incorporating this habit into his daily life, he unlocked the door to financial freedom and overcame the obstacles life threw at him. His determination and dedication led him from rags to riches. So, let's apply this positive message in our lives. Let's commit to waking up at a.m. every day for self-improvement and planning our future success. Remember, with dedication and hard work, we can all reach our dreams and goals. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this story inspiring, please like this video and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until our next meeting, stay positive and keep striving towards your dreams.